Immerse in the power of the Indian Navy's warship, INS Imphal, armed with the mighty BrahMos. This formidable duo is ready to fortify the Navy's fleet, creating a ripple in the ocean of military strength. Named after the Battle of Imphal, this warship embodies the spirit of victory and resilience. With the BrahMos, a supersonic cruise missile, it's capable of striking fear in the hearts of adversaries. The missile, with a top speed of 3 times the speed of sound, combines power and precision. INS Imphal and BrahMos, a synergy of might and technology, set to revolutionize India's naval prowess. Stay tuned for more on this maritime marvel,